Good morning to everyone listening to me, wherever you are listening to me, all over the world. And whatever your time zone, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all. I am Olorunlu Ayinde, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the economic developer within the Kringle community. TBC is a mission with a currency. TBC has come to empower humanity. TBC has come to give humanity sense of life, to restore abundance to humanity. For as many old members who are still there dilly-dallying, contemplating and criticizing a lot of development going on with the community, I am using this opportunity to call upon everyone to come and take part in the ongoing promotion. Several promotions has been in the time past, but this is a unique promotion that we believe will launch us into the full economy. It is the desire of the TBC administration and all mass adoption members, all the economic developers, to see that we end the distribution as soon as possible. And these promotions are in line with that. 1,000 TBC promo is ongoing. Simple. Come on board, pay for your annual program fee in cryptos. Then 1,000 TBC is yours. And every month, for the next 12 calendar months, you'll be getting 100 TBC per month. Don't forget, you also have opportunities to submit daily and weekly keywords to earn more coins. Do not let this opportunity pass you by. Guess what? Do you know why I'm doing this broadcast? New people are coming into the community who have the funds. And you know what? They are paying for an annual fee and then get 1,000 TBC boom, boom. That's all. And you have been in the community over years and you are still contemplating, procrastinating. Why don't you take the bull by the horn? Pay the sacrifice. 1 year program fee payment and you get your 1,000 TBC. It's addition to your monthly 100 TBC and ability and opportunity to submit various keywords to receive 1 TBC per every keyword you submitted. Guys, do not let this opportunity pass you by. Do not let it pass you by. Do all it takes within your power. Pay the sacrifice now. Sow now, so that very soon you will reap more. Do all it takes to be among this set of billionaires. 1,000 TBC is not a joke. So I'm looking forward to see you. We want to increase the number of core team members. At the same time, we want to end the coins in the admin wallet so as to enter our full economy fully. So guys, looking forward to see you. Think on this, reflect on this, and act fast. Act fast. Thank you. I love you all. Like, subscribe to the channel, and share. Bless you.